Hey, welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. We're cooking with Chef Puff. We bring you the good stuff. All right, today we're doing something simple. Today it's lunchtime right about now. Well, it's 2:09, but it's lunchtime for me. We're going to be making a grilled cheese sandwich on the Blackstone griddle. All right, so let me show you my ingredients, what I'm using. All right, this is basically a simple recipe. Okay, just regular white bread. I got my slices of cheese here. I love cheese. All right, and I'm not using butter, but I'm using the Japanese mayo. I like this stuff. This stuff is pretty good. If anybody ever watched the guy on YouTube, Sam the Cooking Guy, he swears by this stuff. He cooks with everything with this Japanese mayo, and it's delicious. It is delicious. It's not like the regular Hellman's mayonnaise. This is good. All right, so let me get to assembling this grilled cheese, these two grilled cheese sandwiches, and I'll return when I'm starting to prepare it. Hey, what's up? Welcome back. All right, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to fire up my griddle here. All right. I'm going to get it nice and hot. And you know what? I'm only going to do one side here to get this nice and hot. The middle is the most hottest spot on this griddle here. All right, so let's go back inside and let's set up the sandwich. All right, so what I'm going to do now, very simple. I'm going to hit it with the Japanese mayo. This is going to be the outer crust. All right. Don't need that much, but I am going to save it for the other side. Once I put it down, the cheese down and flip it, but the only way for me to do that, I would have to do it on the griddle. So let me save this. So when I go outside, okay, now I want to remove this from the cutting board. Now I'm going to add my cheese. All right, cheese is going to basically, I'm doing it to fit the sandwich. I don't want to, basically losing my cheese on the griddle when she starts to cook. All right, so this is how we do it. This is how we do it. All right, that's one. Here goes the second one. Try to get all the corners. Perfect. Perfect. One more slice. Quick and easy lunch. Now, I'm going to put the tops back on. Okay. Now, like I said, you just want to coat. I might have put a little bit too much. I'm going to try to take some off here because I don't need much. But this Japanese mayo is good. Okay. So, we're going to take this outside now. And let's go on outside, and I'll be right back. All right, here we go. So now what I'm going to do now, the side that I put the Japanese mayo on, I'm going to flip it over. And that's what you want to hear. Okay. Now, that little extra mayo that I had left over, I'm going to put on the top here. So I'm going to need a little bit more. Just a little bit. This Japanese, it gives it a nice flavor instead of using butter. Whoop. Just be careful not to burn yourself. Okay. This is what we're talking about. Oh yeah. And I mean, it takes a few seconds to cook this. Beautiful color. Yep. A little smash down here. Like I said, it's a quick and easy meal. Had kids or something like that. Here, I'm gonna show you. This is where I had put too much of that, the mayo at over here, the mayonnaise. That's why it's like this. It's not getting like that. But it's okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. All right, I'm gonna turn the fire off now because she's basically, the sandwiches are done. All right. Nice. All right, now get them off. And here we go. 2 grilled cheese sandwiches done on the Blackstone griddle. And once again, clean up. Cleanup is very simple. Which it ain't much of cleanup with this here. And flame is off, and ladies and gentlemen, this is it. There's no more to it. So let me go inside and cut this in half, let it cool up a little bit before I bite into it, and I'll be right back. All right, so the cheese is nicely melted. She's cooled down a lot for me to bite. All right, so let's get to eating. Can't go wrong with grilled cheese sandwich. Very simple, poor man's dish. With that Japanese mayo, it just elevates the flavor. And it's better than using butter. This is good. Yep. Guys, y'all can't have none of this. Sorry. My doggies, Alex and Oliver, they're looking for some grilled cheese. And they can't have this. All right, without further ado, if y'all guys can please subscribe, ring my bell, and comments, make them decent, nice. But if you just subscribe, I would really appreciate it. And y'all guys have a wonderful afternoon. And by the way, happy Labor Day. All right, so enjoy.